If you're experiencing issues with the stuck update in PUBG, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the update to be stuck. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to hang. You may want to reset your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Clear cache. For PC users, navigate to the game installation folder and delete any temporary files or cache that may be causing issues. For console users, you can clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. Step 4. Update system software. Make sure your gaming platform PC, Xbox, PlayStation is running the latest system software. Sometimes, outdated system software can interfere with game updates. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall PUBG. This process can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the update to be stuck. Ensure you back up any important data before proceeding with the reinstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of a stuck update in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.